Hello everyone and welcome. Welcome to Spice and Easy Kitchen. Today I will share with you a new recipe, broccoli soup, and now we move to the ingredients. For the preparation, we need 500 grams of broccoli, 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. We also need between 50 and 100 milliliters of cooking cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 liter of water. Place a pot on medium heat and add the olive oil. Let the oil heat slightly. Add the chopped onion. Add the garlic powder. If garlic powder is not available, use 1 garlic clove. Saute everything until the onion becomes soft. Stir continuously to avoid burning. Once the onion is soft, continue to the next step. Add 1 liter of water. Add the broccoli pieces. Let everything cook for about 15 minutes. Do not overcook the broccoli. This helps preserve its vitamins. After cooking, the soup is ready. Add the black pepper. Add the salt. Add the cooking cream. Turn off the heat. Let the soup cool slightly. Blend the soup using an electric blender. Return it to the heat for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat again. Now we move to the serving stage. This is the final look of the broccoli soup. It is served with bread pieces. The bread is spread with cheese and topped with chopped chives, prepared in this simple and healthy way.